Hi, hello, vanakkam. I have few leftover vegetables, brinjal and potatoes from last week's ration, so I decided to cook brinjal potato masala with Channa. The ingredients required are super easy and readily available at every home. Separately pressure cook potatoes and Channa and keep them aside, and finely chop 2 onions, pound 3 to 4 cloves of garlic with a small piece of ginger and keep them aside too. Now to a pan, add some sunflower oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add half teaspoon of mustard and cumin, 3 cloves, 1 small piece of cinnamon and saute with onions until it's soft and well cooked. Now add the pounded ginger and garlic and cook until it's aromatic or until the raw smell goes off. If you find ginger and garlic sticking to the bottom of the pan, deglaze with 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes and cook until it's soft and mushy. This is the exact consistency we are looking for. Before adding the pre-cooked potatoes and channas, let's cook brinjal for 3 to 4 minutes. As we have added some cinnamon and cloves in the beginning, this recipe doesn't require any additional garam masala. Instead, we just add 1 tablespoon of Kuzhambu milagai podi, or even the combination of red chili powder and coriander powder goes fine. Finally, add the pre-cooked channas and potatoes and cook along with the masala with the addition of salt as required for at least 15 to 20 minutes or until the entire water goes off. This dish is enjoyed mostly along with sambar sadam, thair sadam, rasam sadam, and also with tiffin items like idli, dosai, appam, etc. Hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Try this recipe at your home and send me the feedbacks below in the comment. Thanks for watching and support me by subscribing my channel. See you again.